Deep cleaning on Kamrui CK10 mini PC. Thank you, ma'am Mary Jean, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. The Kamrui CK10 mini PC was serviced with a full deep cleaning procedure to enhance its thermal efficiency, prevent overheating, and ensure consistent system performance. Being a compact device, the CK10 has limited space for airflow, which makes it more prone to dust buildup over time. Dust and dirt had accumulated around the internal fan, heat sink, and ventilation grills, reducing air circulation and causing the system to run at elevated temperatures. If left unattended, these conditions could have led to unstable performance, frequent fan noise, or even long-term hardware degradation. To address this, the unit was carefully disassembled to gain access to the internal cooling system and other sensitive components. The fan blades, exhaust vents, and heatsink fins were thoroughly cleaned using anti-static tools and compressed air to eliminate dust without damaging internal circuits. All internal surfaces were cleared of debris to ensure proper airflow across the system. As part of preventive maintenance, the old thermal paste on the CPU was replaced with a high-performance compound, which greatly improved heat transfer between the processor and heatsink. Once the cleaning and reassembly were completed, the Kamrui CK10 mini PC was tested to confirm improved cooling performance and stable operation. Stress testing showed lower operating temperatures, reduced fan noise, and smoother performance during multitasking and heavy workloads. In summary, the deep cleaning service revitalized the Kamrui CK10 mini PC, ensuring that it now operates cooler, quieter, and more efficiently. This maintenance not only improved immediate system stability, but also protected the device from overheating risks, helping to extend its overall lifespan and reliability for everyday use. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.